Okay, we are moving on into week 3 here with our terms. And at the end of this week, we will be halfway through all of these words and roots quizzes. So we're doing letters E, G, and most of the H's today. Our first one is ecol, which means dwelling house. So I have the example ecology, which stands for basically the study of where organisms live. Ecto means outer, so ectotherm would be the outer covering. Should be a warm outer covering. Ectomy means cut out, so an appendectomy means that they are cutting out your appendix. Endo is inside or within, so an endocyte is going to be inside of the cell. Erythro means red. It's a weird prefix for the color red. You would think that you would just say red because that's much shorter than erythro. But we have a erythrocyte, and that stands for a red cell. You have erythrocytes, red blood cells, going around in your body. Epi means above or upon, so your epidermis is going to be your upper layer of skin. Exo stands for outside of, so your exoskeleton. You don't have an exoskeleton, but some animals or insects, not animals, they do. Whenever you step on them, you hear the crunch. That's their outer skeleton. The suffix gen can also be used as a prefix. It means to produce or to begin. So genetics is actually the study of how you began. Hemi means half, so hemizygote is just half of the zygote. You could also, let's see, what other prefix or words can we use with the prefix hemi? It's kind of similar to like a semicircle in that it's half of a circle. Hemo means blood, so hemoglobin is going to be things that are contained within your blood. Herba means plant, so an herbivore is something who eats plants. Hetero means different. Heterozygous stands for 2 different types of alleles within your genes, and we're going to be talking a lot about those in chapter 9. Prefixes homeo or homo both mean same. So I have the example of homeostasis, which means that you want to maintain the same internal conditions. And hydro is our last one. Hydro means water, so hydrolysis is just using water to break things apart. We talked about that back in chapter 3. All right, that's it for week 3. Catch you guys later.